Deep in the code where the circuits are, there's a place to learn where the future comes. AI dreams and tech so bright, and AI do it brings it to light. So hit subscribe, don't be late. The tools of tomorrow won't wait. Baseline's low, but your mind will rise. Learn AI here, get future wise. Can AI do it? Best place too low.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Can AI do it? And finally, ElevenLabs has released the AI model that is capable of creating music. If you are following the AI space, you might have heard of Suno or Udio. These are two big tools when it comes to music generation. However, ElevenLabs has released their own model and we are here today to test it. So the first thing you need to do is come to this page called elevenlabs.io/music. The links for everything that you see in this video will be on the description. Then you either create an account with them or get started. Once you create your account, you will land on this page here. All that you need to do is hit music and then you're gonna have this interface here. So the first thing that I want you to pay attention is how many credits is going to be used for the music that we are gonna create, okay? So as you can see now, I have 5,239 credits at this point in time. To create music here is very simple. First, you can choose between having one or two variants. In my case, because we are just trying out the tool and I am in the free plan, I will leave just one. And this is where you choose how long you want the music to be. As you can see so far, the interface is really basic. You cannot, like for example, click on a button to choose the styles that you want or anything like that. So all the styles and everything else that you want, you need to tell the tool exactly how you want it. So let me give you an example. So in this case, I am telling the tool, create a song about a hilarious tale of someone relying on ChatGPT to fix their love life. And this is how I want the song to be. Okay, so the style of the song. In other tools, usually they have a box where you are able to click and select the styles that you want. At this point in time, Eleven Music doesn't have that, so you need to specify everything that you want in here. I'll be showing you very soon how to improve your prompts so you can create better musics. Now, all that I will be doing is just making sure that I will limit this to a minute, for example, because I don't want to burn all the remaining credits that I have here. So let's see how many credits we are going to spend to create this music, which apparently it says here 900 credits, so we already know. So let's see the quality of the music. So it took around 2 minutes for the music to be created, okay? And now I'm going to be playing the whole thing here. If you don't want to see this part, just jump ahead, okay? If you want, let's see together because it's the first time as well that I'm hearing this song. So let's listen to it now.
Hey ChatGPT, can you fix my heart? I typed my hopes into a midnight scream. Days of swiping left left me unseen. Felt like my heart was stuck on repeat. Then I found my friend in AI so sweet. You crafted words I longed to say. Gave me courage to find my way. ChatGPT, you patch my lonely nights. With every line you'd help me write.
Alright, I don't know exactly what to think about the lyrics, but one thing is sure, it was really well sung, and as you can see there is a lot of emotion in the way that the AI is speaking the words. So there is no way in the world that someone would know this is AI if I haven't just created the song right now, okay? So as we can see, we spent 900 credits to generate a 1-minute music. As you can see here as well, you can either add different sections. Imagine that you want to add something else in between the intro and the verse 1. All that you need to do is just click here on add section, and then you can see a new section has been added here, and then you could modify as you see it. Otherwise, you might as well just click on here and delete it. If you want to download your songs, you need to have a paid plan. The plans start at $5 per month. I think it's okay for the price. Now, what I want is to show you how to create music using your own lyrics. To create a song using your own lyrics, all that you need to do is just input your lyrics here, okay? So what I like to do is I always put what I don't want the AI to say in parentheses. So this tells the AI this is verse 1. This tells the AI it's the chorus, but the AI won't say it, okay? So it's a way of giving instructions that at least works with the other music generation tools such as Suno and Udio, and I think it also will work with 11 Music as well. So basically this is a song about a person who got AI anxiety because he thinks that the AI will take his or her job in this case. So what is the style? It's a slow, dreamy indie rock with reverb vocals, retro keys, and phased guitars, okay? You can specify as well if you want it to be a male or a female voice. In my case, I will add male voice just to make sure, okay? And now let's see how much this will cost. I will leave again 1 minute just to make sure that I won't run out of credits. And as we can see, 900 credits will be deducted from my account. So let's see if this works. As you can see, this song was generated by ChatGPT and the chat added some emojis here. You can delete those emojis. Now let's see the final product. Alright, so the music has been created. I will play the whole thing again. If you don't want to listen to the whole thing, just check down below the steps and move ahead.
Woke up this morning, checked my feed. The AI's doing art now that reads. It writes emails, makes designs too. Wait a sec, that's what I do. AI's gonna take my job, oh no. Trained all these years just to get rolled by. Can't sleep, can't breathe, I'm stressing out. Even my toaster's got Wi-Fi now. Boss said embrace it, I said I'm trying. But it just wrote a song and now I'm crying. So if you're out there feeling hard, just blame the bots and keep your job now.
Well, as you can see, at least in my eyes, this song is really well done. It's incredible that we can reach this level of professionalism, let's call it, okay? But what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Now, the final thing that I want to show you, and I will also be leaving this link on the description, is the best way to prompt ChatGPT. So, for example, if you see here, you can give the model will understand you either when you give it more abstract descriptions or detailed ones. If you want to isolate the vocals or make the chat use a little bit more of instruments, you can also be very specific here. For me, the thing that stands out the most useful of these tips for me, because I'm not a person who knows a lot about music, so I don't know how to tweak like instruments, how to add the best instrument to make this music the best, you know. I'm not that kind of person. But for example, when I'm creating a music, many times I want to tell the AI, please, lyrics begin at 10 seconds, for example. Now you can clearly specify this here with 11 Musics, and they even give you here some example of prompts. For this video, that's all. What do you think about 11 Music? Do you think it's worth the price? And do you think that this tool can compete with other big names such as Suno or Audio, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe to any of the plans, I'm leaving a link on the description, so you can do this as well. Thank you so much for having watched the video. See ya next time. Take care.